Hi guys, this is Rafa from Brazil striking again, and today we are gonna make a wrap up from this week. It was a very good week. Some excellent pairs who have excellent opportunities, and I'll show you these three opportunities that I have over here. My last trade was that AUD JPY trade that I had talked to you about that on the last video. Please check the last video and let's just analyze what happened here. Okay, I took the trade over here. The trade was developing very well. Look at that. It was a 38 pips, went down 80 pips against me, but I trust the system. It didn't hit my stop loss that was below this area, and eventually it went up again. Let me close that for a while. But guys, what is very important about this trade over here? If I showed you again what happened here, you're gonna see that it hit my stop loss. It didn't hit my take profit, and my profit was 16.37 euros. Rafa, what happened? Well, it's very simple to explain. I have a trailing stop loss. A trailing stop loss. If you didn't know what is it, well, you should just go some steps over and try to understand what is a trailing stop loss. I'll try to explain you very quickly. When you have a trading going on, you can select a trailing stop loss, which is you're gonna set amount of pips, a number of pips, that when the trade reaches that amount of pips, your stop loss go to your break even, and it is going up, and that amount of pips will just follow. Your stop loss is gonna follow that amount of pips. For instance, if I had this trade, what happened to me? I'm gonna explain you. What happened was I took the trade over here, and when it reached 30 pips, which was around this area, my stop loss was moved to my entry. Okay, so I was break even. I took the risk off my trade. Okay, then it go up, and then it went down and hit my stop loss. Okay, so what happened was the trade was against me, and I have a protection, a security, which was my stop loss being exactly on my entry point. That's a trailing stop loss. It's when you put your stop loss on the break even. And this is part of my trading plan and have to be part of your trading trend as well. Okay? Your trading trade have to be absolutely complete. You know exactly where to put. You have to know exactly where to entry. Check your confirmations. Check your stop loss. Check your lot size. Check your take profit, and check your trailing stop loss. This is absolutely important. There is no way to trade without a trailing stop loss, because it prevents you losing money. It prevents you losing money. So it is very important to have a trailing stop loss. It was exactly what happened to me over here, and I was in profit. And I'm absolutely okay with that. Well, you might think, well, Rafa, the trade went up again. You could have take profit. Yes, it is, but I have to accept what the market gave me. I have to accept what the market gives me. Okay? That's being a professional trader. That's being a trend follower. That's being a professional trader that accepts exactly what the markets have to give you on regular basis. Okay? I'm not gonna be whining that, oh my god, I have lost many pips. No. That's what the market gave me. Okay, I accept that. Thank you very much. Let's go to the next trade. That's being a professional trader. That's being a disciplined trader. a patient trader, and that's being a professional trader. You cannot press the button if you don't have all the questions, all the trade questions answered. First question, where's my signal? Oh, it's over here. Second question, is it a confirmation on the short-term trend with the same color as my signal? Yes, it was. Third question, it's my long-term trend with the same color as my signal? Yes, it is. Okay. Confirmation on the longer time frame. 1 hour. Was it coming from the same price action? Yes, it is. Yes, it is coming from a buy area. Coming from a buy area. Look at this fantastic movement over here. 170 pips. And okay, my stop loss was taken, but I pretty much confident that this trade is gonna go up again. I'm just waiting for this green long-term trend appears to hop up again. Okay? So if all my conditions were met, okay, this signal is approved by my trade system. So right now, where's gonna be my trailing stop? Well, in my opinion, 15 to 20 pips. 15 to 20 pips. So I come over here. Well, I have no trade going on right now, so I can't show you how to do that, but it's very, very simple. You click here with your right button, and it's gonna appear here trading stop loss when you have a trading going on. Before you hit the button, you have to know exactly where your stop loss is gonna be, and it's gonna be below this green area if it's a buy signal. So second question answered. Where's gonna be my stop loss? 1-1 risk ratio. So if it is 40 pips stop loss, well, my take profit is gonna be 40 pips as well, and it was exactly over here. Okay, right? So if I know exactly where it's gonna be my stop loss, I know exactly where it's gonna be my lot size. Yes, my lot size. It's because my lot size, it's absolutely important to my trading career. I'm gonna risk absolutely 1%, not much than 1%. So if my stop loss is 41 pips, I can lose 41 pips. It means that 1% means 41 pips. Okay? Related to my account, it's a 0.25 lot size. So I came here, 0.25 lot size, and voila, buy button. And then I set my stop loss, set my take profit, and set my trailing stop. Okay? We got that clear, right? Isn't it? Okay, so let's browse around a little bit how the markets behaved this week. It was great, a great week. Look at that. Well, today, this is a day separator. Okay, so this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. Okay, so we have a continuation trend that came from last week. Okay, there was a great opportunity over here. Look at that signal over here. Look at this great trade, but it came from last week, so we're not talking about that. Okay, we're talking about this trade over here that appeared for us on Tuesday. Let's see that, how that developed. And it was on Tuesday, so it went against a little bit. A 53 stop loss, 7.6, which means that it hit our take profit if we had this trade. Okay. AUD Chief, exactly the same thing, coming from a huge downtrend. I think that on the longer time frame, it's very clear that it's a downtrend. So what does it mean? Well, it means that probably this is going to be a continuation trend, okay? But it doesn't mean that we cannot have these pullbacks. Look at that, 100 pips. Look at that pullback. Look at that pullback. 76 pips. Look at that pullback. 99 pips. So we must enter on the pullbacks as well. Simplicity trading system is such a great system that it allows us to enter on pullbacks as well, not only on continuation trends. Okay? Of course, we must follow the trend. The trend is your friend. Everybody knows that. But the simplicity trading system gives us on the lower time frame very, very precise and effective opportunities. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 56 pips. Okay? Guys, please hit the like button. Please the subscribe button. Please, if you're not part of our family, you are losing power. You are losing this fantastic power of the simplicity trading system on the Forex market. Forex market is one of the biggest markets in the world. And if you're not playing that, this huge market with simplicity, you are just losing money. You are just losing time. Please follow our family, our Simplicity family. If you're not part of that, please hit the description area. There's a link for you. And if you're part of our family, please let me know. I will personally guide you for 1 to 2 trades. Okay? AUD USD. Let's check that out. Again, all the USD pairs behavior almost the same. Okay? 82 pips. 82 pips. And this signal appeared on Wednesday, last Wednesday. The CAD pairs, the CAD pairs was I didn't like that, so I was out of this CAD market this week. Although there was good opportunities. Look at that, 41 pips. This signal is still going on, 9 pips. Now it's 28 pips against. I wouldn't have to take this trade. I wouldn't have to take this trade. Okay. And I'll tell you why. Very simple, because it is not a conservative trade. What is a conservative trade? It's when all the signals are lined up. When I have a buy signal, I must have a green short-term trend, a green long-term trend. So these signals, to me, are not validated. Okay? Well, Rafa, but what about this evidence dot? It was a signal. Yes, it was a signal. And look at that. It went for 12 pips, okay? It went down for 12 pips. And it was probably a not good signal. It happens. No system are perfect. There's no perfect system out there, okay? Don't chase for the holy grail. You're not gonna find it. Don't be frustrated, okay? What you have to do is be prepared for the stop loss. Okay, I have placed some trades that hit my stop loss. It happens. Be a professional trader and accept that. Adjust your lot size to lose just 1%. It's very simple. It's very simple, because on the longer run, your winning trades are going to be much more profitable. Okay? Look at that. Look at that. Let's go a little bit over this pair. 40 pips. Another down. 48 pips. Whew, look at that. 58 pips. 9 pips. Probably gonna hit your stop loss, and there's a problem. Look at how close your stop loss were. 24 pips. And next trade was just 39. So you're just gonna surf all the signals, okay? All those signals, if they match your conditions, okay? If they match your conditions, this signal match, even being a stop loss signal, this signal match, this signal, well, I can consider that match, okay? But eventually, because my trailing stop, and look how important the trailing stop is. Look how important the trailing stop is. it eventually will hit my trailing stop because I was 15 pips trailing stop loss. Okay, so my stop loss reaching 15 pips, which is gonna be on my break-even point. Okay, on my entry. So that was CAD Chef. CAD JPY, another pair here. Great downtrend we had. This trend is going over. Okay, I wouldn't have taken that because it is on the negative short-term trend. Okay, Chief JPY, great trade over here. Look at that. 75 pips. Another great trade over here. 142 pips. Guys, I'm not even going to start counting those pips because I just have I don't have the patience to do all the maths. Just a lot of pips. Please, if somebody could make that for me, please make a comment telling us how many pips this Simplicity trading system gave us. I appreciate that. Euro CAG. Okay, great opportunities. Euro Chief. Euro GBP. Look at that. Look at that. Coming from here than last week. Oh, 93 pips. And on Wednesday, appeared a great signal over here. 75 pips. And today, look at that. Today, we had a great signal over here. Another 70 pips. This is fantastic. This is absolutely fantastic. I'm not telling you to go through all of those pairs. By the way, choose 3 or 4 pairs to follow. Okay? It is not productive to follow all these 28 opportunities that we have. No. You have to narrow your target to 3 or 4 pairs, and you must follow those pairs to get to know them well. Okay, to get to know their behavior, to get to know their opportunities. Okay, Euro JPY is one of my favorites. Look at that, 144 pips. This week we had 2 trades. This first one, 86 pips. And this second one that is going on is developing and is already on 30 pips. If I have take this signal, a conservative trade, look at that. First step, okay, buy signal. Second step, short-term trend. Third step, long-term trend, okay? Fourth step, check 1 to 2 time frames higher. Let's see the price coming from the buy area. Yes, price is coming from the buy area. So, my stop loss over here, above the red line, okay? Let's see how many pips. 77 pips, okay, so I adjust my lot size to accommodate my stop loss on my lot size, and let's do it. Then my trailing stop have to be 15 pips, so away from my break even. I would be safe on this trade already. That's how Simplicity works. That's how Simplicity is a beast, a beast. This is my golden nugget for this video. A great trade coming over. Look at this Euro NZD, my friends. Oh my God. This week we have a great signal over here. Wow, 200 pips. 200 pips. And right now we have a good opportunity over here. Let's check the daily to analyze the price action. Pretty much scratchy, how Uncle P used to say, but on the long-term trend, the monthly, I would think that it's gonna be up. Okay, so it is a very good signal. Have a great look on this Euro NZD. Euro USD, another great trade over here. It wasn't a great trade, but it was a safety trade because it hit my stop. No, sorry. Well, not my stop loss, but my stop gain because I was on my trailing stop on my break-even point. So this was a great trade. It was from last week. GBP AUD was just amazing trade. Uncle P have showed some pictures. By the way, Uncle P, congratulations for your lady. Congratulations for your great week. You must enjoy that. You deserve it. Thank you very, very much if you're watching my video. You're a very great friend. You're a great mentor. God bless you and all your family, okay? So it was a great trade, 150 pips. Look at that, 150 pips. This is absolutely fantastic. GBP CAD. Two great trades. Look at this trade over here. Another 200 pips. My God. Look at this simplicity, efficiency, accuracy. It's safe trade. It's safe trade that I'm showing you. Look at that. Another trade. 70 pips again. This is fantastic. GBP Chief, another great trade. Another great week. By the way, it was a great week for the GBP pairs, okay? We have on Wednesday this great trade, 116, and today we had a great trade as well. Wow, 80 pips. Oh my God, I don't know what to do. I really don't. Look at that. Well, let's just accelerate that. Look, another GBP NZD. My goodness, the market just dropped. And look how the price action respects the trend line. Look how price action respects the trend line. That's why I check 1 to 2 time frames higher, because when the price action come and touches and do not bounce this trend line, but it goes through the trend line, it's another confirmation. Write that down. That's another nugget. That's another confirmation that this is a strong price action movement. Strong price action movement. Okay. GBP USD, no, so. NZD CAD, well, we have great trades as well on NZD. Look at that trade. Oh my God, it happens on Wednesday, 100 pips. NZD Chief, oh my God, another great trade. Oh, another 70 pips, my goodness. And there's another trade coming from this sell area. Look at that, it can be a 9 pip trade. NZD JPY, another great trade. Look at that. A positive trade. You have to be patient. You have to be patient. All the GPY pairs. Look at how it shook. Look how it shook. But eventually, the signal was right, and then, phew. And look how the other signals were right as well. Phew, 37 pips, safe trade. Phew, 36 pips, safe trade. What I mean by safe trade, a trade that my stop loss would be eventually put on the break-even point. Okay, all the JPY pairs were very shaky this week. Okay, NZD USD, great trades as well. Look at that. Look at this trade. A smooth trade. A smooth 100 pip trade. Oh my God. All conservative trades. All conservative trades. Look at this trade over here. Look at this trade over here. Guys, it's almost impossible to lose. It's almost impossible. You are gonna lose, okay? But what I mean is, you're gonna win much more than you're gonna lose. Much more. And even the signals that may hit your stop loss. Let's see this ESG Chief like over here. Look at that. It is a safe trade. If the trade went 15 to 20 pips above your entry, if it went to 16 pips, it means that it reached the 15 pips mark that should drag your stop loss to your break-even point. So over here, if the price bounced back, you're going to be safe. You're going to be out on break-even point. Okay? Look at this great down signal. 100 pips. 100 pips. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. It was on Monday. Oh my goodness. This is great. This is great. USD JPY. Look at this trade. I was on that trade. Yes, this week. You know that. I have posted a video. Okay. Gold. I'm not trading gold right now. I'm not trading the indexes. I'm not trading. I'm concentrating on Forex only. Okay. Guys, well, that's it. I hope you appreciate that video. I hope that you're still being part of our family. It's very, very important for you to hit the like button, to hit the subscribe button, to spread this word out. The Forex markets are for everyone. Everyone should be on the Forex market, okay? It's very easy with simplicity. It's very complicated without simplicity, but with simplicity, even shaky markets like that, even shaky markets, you are gonna win. You are gonna win. Okay, I win. I'm winning. I'm consistent. I'm proving to you on live trades, on live accounts. You can check all of my videos to see how efficiency I am getting with this trade, with this trading system. Please, if you are not part of our family, you're just wasting your time. If you're just wasting your money. It's not that expensive. $300, my friend. You're gonna pay that very, very quickly. So please, let's make part of our family, our great family. We have great traders, great mentors. Jenny Baker, Uncle P, man, they are awesome. They're gonna help you. I can help you with all my humble mind of trading experience that I have been developed over these months. So please go to the description area of this video and click the link below and be part of our family. Okay? Thank you guys. Have a nice weekend. Let's chill down, let's relax, and let's enjoy our family. Thank you very, very much. See you next time.